fear and anxiety in the minds of the people. And 0R, no?
Yes, 0R.
Kunkolim constituency, especially those residing in Chandor area, about the status of the State Highway 8, the recent tender notice of the government pertaining to some works mentioned in the road passing through Chandor as State Highway 8. It was the demand of the local residents of Chandor and surrounding areas to denotify the said State Highway as a major district road. Speaker sir, this problem of a State Highway 8 this is a major problem. Speaker sir, आणि construction of approach road काम चलता and तेजेर on that work order it is said that it is SH8 move. Speaker sir, हांव माननीय जे मंत्री आहे तेकडे मागोता की why you have not re-notified this as major district road, because speaker sir ही file म्हाका दिसता आता 1 वर्स जाली denotify झाल्या, but re-notify as major district road has not happened. I request the honorable
please mention.
Minister to kindly answer this.
Yes, answer but mention
ना मातशें just clear.
सर लोकांक दिसतलें तांकांच खबर आहा, म्हाका खबर ना म्हण अशें कांय ना. हांवें आन्सर करपाचें आन्सर करता. म्हाका म्हजे जे क्वेश्चन विचारले सांगता. स्पीकर सर हो मुद्दो फाटीं आशिल्लो जेन्ना एक पक्ष गोवा फॉरवर्ड म्हूण तोय आशिल्लो तितून भितर, आनी तेन्ना हो विधय तो तेन्ना आमदार आशिल्लो, तेन्ना तो आमदार नाशिल्लो, आतां तो आमदार जाला. सो तेन्ना गोवा फॉरवर्डाक घेवन फुडें तेणेच फुडें गेला, आतां तो काँग्रेसीन येयला स्पीकर सर. सो आतां तो काँग्रेसीचो LOP जाला आनी तो प्रश्न विचारता. बरें आहा स्पीकर सर, आमकां कांय इशू हांव आन्सर करता न्ही स्पीकर सर. तेजे प्रश्न ते पयलीं गोवा फॉरवर्डा वांगडा आशिल्लो, आतां तो काँग्रेसीचो LOP जाला. सो प्रश्न जो आसा स्पीकर सर, तेन्ना तोच तो LOP लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन म्हणटा पळय ताका. स्पीकर सर जो प्रश्न आशिल्लो तेन्ना प्रश्न मिटयल्लो आनी तेन्ना तो नोटिफाय डिनोटिफाय केलो तेणें मानला. आतां तो डिनोटिफाय करपाक प्रोसिजर करून फुडें तो रस्तो कितें करपाक जाय तेजे कडल्यान आमी म्हज्या हातींतल्यान सिग्नेचर जावन फायल केली. इट इज गोईंग एज अ मेजर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड. It is already notified. When the tender was removed, let me finish. When the tender was removed, though it was denotified and it was not notified as what road, they went ahead with the tender as a SH8. It went ahead.
Yes.
कित्याक प्रॉब्लम कितें आशिल्लें, कित्याक ताका जेन्ना डिनोटिफाय केलो तो मानता आनी टेंडर काडपाक जाय आशिल्लो म्हूण इट वॉज नॉट नोटिफायड एज MDR. So that is why at that particular time it was removed as a SH8. Now the notification, it must have gone or come, I will give it to you, but it has gone from my hand. It has gone for notification that it is going to be a major district road of 25 meters.
Sankalpam.